How do I include this in my post? Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel Beauty by Telly, and today I'm just going to unbox and try all of the items inside the ALTHEA Holiday Edition Red Sparkling Box. My face is all clean and I'm now going to start with the red serum pouch sample. So it's just a clear serum. It absorbed really nicely onto my skin. On to the next part, it's the Hello Skin Jumiso Chewy Lasticity Mask Sheet. It's available on the website for 110 pesos. It's more expensive than the Gold Box Sheet Mask, the Igor Talks one that was only 50 pesos. It has a really strong floral, rosy scent, which I love. It makes sense because in the advertisement, they say it has the power of how many again? No, it's not this one. It has a mesh with it, so I'm just going to use the mesh on the outer side, and so I have the cotton side right in front of my face. Yuck. Okay, that was a little bit of a challenge. Ooh. There's not a lot, but the essence is pretty thick and it's not exactly milky. It's a little clear, but it's so like goopy. So I've just worn the Jumiso mask for 20 minutes. I really like it. Yung essence niya, it feels almost like the Mediheal essences. Kind of like snail essence. This sheet is super comfortable even after drying down. This one is like really soft. It feels almost membrane-like. It's almost jelly-like. I'm just gonna take it off. So fresh and so clean. I'm just patting the excess essence in. Just wait for a bit for it to dry. Gosh, my hair. Ang tagal. I've been waiting for so long, it still won't dry up because there's like so much essence on my face. So my face is finally dry. I think that was the longest drying time I've had for any kind of sheet mask essence I've tried in my whole life. For the last skincare item in the ALTHEA Red Sparkling Box, I'm going to try this Skin and Lab Red Cream. It costs 930. It's also available in the ph.althea.kr website. In the promotional material, it says it has the energy of 1 million damask roses. I think I'd recommend this for people with sensitive skin because normally, rose products are great for people with sensitive skin. So the package, it comes with a little spatula. Ang dami ko ng spatula just from the Christmas boxes. And then the cream looks like a gel cream. It looks really light, watery. It's not full. Is it just me? Natapon ko ba? I don't think so. But yeah, that's it. So this is the consistency. It's a little translucent and it looks watery, but it's much stickier than I anticipated. Parang meringue, there are stiff peaks. Beautiful girl. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply the cream. It's a very enjoyable thing to massage kasi parang medyo gelatinous nga yung cream niya. Since my skin is not that sensitive, I appreciate and enjoy fragrance products. And this one really has such a botanical flavor to it. I love it. Yun nga, social siya na roses. Social! Next up is the Missha Perfect Cover BB Cream in shade number 23. I am typically number 23 in Korean BB cream shades. I've just heard a lot of raves about this, and even ALTHEA on their promotions for the red box, they say that this is a best-selling item. It's worth 560 pesos, also available on the website. And I think this is the big hit item, like, for sure. I'm just going to take a bit and also spread it on my... It's a little dark. I don't know if it's just the light. I'm a little blinded right now, but... it looks great. If it's just dark, I can manage, but if it's gray, I don't like it. I can do dark because, as you can see, my face is much fairer than my neck. So if I put makeup on my face that's a little bit dark, I can sort of equalize everything. It has fragrance, almost like a fresh sunblock fragrance. Texture-wise, as of the moment, I can't really tell how moisturizing or if it's too thick, this BB cream. Because as I said, my skincare went a little bit overboard. Then for 2 more pumps, just to cover my imperfections. And this is a great foundation tip pala for you guys. Because Korean bases, they tend to look more realistic because what they do actually is they put one thin layer of foundation all over the face. And then, to make it look really skin-like, you just go back to where you have imperfections. If you need to layer, just go back like there to where you have imperfections. And if your whole face is imperfect, I'm sorry. Wala kang magagawa. It's not yellow enough and it's actually a little bit pink. And it's making me look a little bit gray. Okay, the next item I'm going to review is the Face Shop Mono Cube Eyeshadow in RD01 Red Peony. So this is supposedly a jelly powder hybrid, and if you buy multiple units, you can actually click them together. This is like a locking mechanism. And on the other side, you have a sort of receiving mechanism. So when you buy them, you can just like click them all together. Pero puro side by side lang. You can't really do it vertically because there's no way to connect them vertically. So it has golden shimmers and I think it looks nice against the deep red background. So this is the final eye look I've come up with using the Face Shop Mono Cube eyeshadow. The color is a little bit cool. I mean, I love the gold So I love the gold glitters, but I'm really just not liking how cool the tone of the red is. But I like this color and I like how the gold glitters bring out like some kind of fancy feeling from it. So I would recommend that you use this Mono Cube eyeshadow in 01 Red Peony, as I feel like it's going to be a good halo eye or a wine eye wash, but I don't think you can use it alone. I mean guys, even on the pan you can see how strong the color is. So the next item I'm gonna try from the ALTHEA Red Sparkling Box is the Moly New Delight Tony Tint in number 02 Red. Just online, I see a lot of people who are huge fans. Let's get on the bandwagon and try this lip tint. There's too much product on the applicator. I think it looks really nice. This color is so flattering. My teeth! This is really what I don't like about lip tints. They're so high maintenance. They're difficult for me, or at least my lip type, to blend. And if you don't have perfect lips, the product can really settle onto the different areas and make it look even more imperfect. The last thing I want to try from this box is another one of the items that I was really looking forward to trying. It's actually a dual tint. It's a color plus treatment from Masil. It costs 260 pesos, available on the website as well. And the shade is 06 in pink red. I've just opened the box and the tube of color is in this just plain silver cutie tube. Cutie. You also have this little packet. I think it's a cape! Yahoo! Okay, so I don't need to change my clothes. Okay, maybe I'll still change my top. And then these are gloves for whoever I'm going to bully into coloring my hair tonight. The directions are pretty simple. You just wash your hair with shampoo. Don't use treatment. Don't use conditioner. And then afterwards, just apply the product and let it sit for 10 to 20 minutes. And then just wash it off after. And I really have been dying to color my hair red for so long now. So, hi. One pack covered my hair like this. It doesn't feel soaked, it feels a little bit dry. And my hair is super duper thin. It's not even that long. So I just can't wait anymore. Tita Telly is sleepy na. I don't know if it's because my hair is still a little bit damp, so it looks darker. But it doesn't seem to have picked up color at all. There's some dry parts here I think there's some color showing, but I still think overall... Wait, let me get my light. I think overall there's not that much light. So forget, we have one last item, and this is the Pom-pom rabbit keyring. This rabbit Pom-pom keychain, it actually reminded me of one of my friend's Christmas gifts for me. If you really like cake culture, it would be really nice to sort of have a piece of Korea in your kit, on your bags. I don't know. Korean makeup is pretty easy to get, but if you also get into Korean fashion and you buy like something that they authentically and legitimately patronize, then I think it's a really cool talking piece. So again, this is my ALTHEA red sparkling box look. No wait, this, how do I include it? This is my ALTHEA red sparkling box look. So final thoughts. I think the red box is full of a lot of middling items. I think it was the Skin and Lab red cream that was the actual big hit item of this box, instead of what I thought was the Missha BB cream or the Face Shop eyeshadow or the Masil treatment. To be honest, it was just a toss-up between the cream and the BB cream, but since I didn't realize that the cream cost so much more than the BB cream, I had all my hopes and expectations with the BB cream, and since I wasn't blown away by the BB cream, like, I just feel meh about this box. That's that. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.